Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a channel on YouTube. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that you would need to do is go into your browser and go into studio.youtube.com, and you will be prompted right here. And once you are asked like this one, you want to click here or tap here, continue to studio. You don't want to get the app. So now once you are here, all you have to do is zoom in right here, so you can see the gear icon at the bottom left of your screen. Right here you can see the settings icon, so you want to tap on this one, and from here you want to zoom out until you see the channel right here, channel option. You want to tap on it, and then the next thing is tap advanced settings and scroll all the way down until you see the remove YouTube content. This is what you want, so you want to tap on remove YouTube content so that you may now remove your YouTube channel. And after that, you would want to enter your password right here. So let's first log in right here. And now, as you can see, I am currently logged in. I have already input my password. So now I'm here. So now I can hide or delete your content from YouTube. So I can hide or delete my content. And I want to permanently delete my content in case this is what you want. Or if you just want to hide your channel, you can also do that right here. But we want to permanently delete because we will be deleting our channel. And you want to go and tap on the box right here, make sure it's checked, and you read your own stats right here. You can see your videos, all your informations in your YouTube channel right here. So after that, you want to tap on delete account, and after you tap on delete my content, it would automatically delete, so be careful when you tap on this. And that's basically for this video. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.